Hey, today we're going to be doing more baking! Yay! But this time, hopefully, the recipe will be a lot easier. It seems a lot easier, less ingredients. Anyways, let's get into the video. First is peanut butter. As you may know, I'm kind of biased towards peanut butter, but she can be a little salty sometimes. But I think that would just work perfectly in this recipe. Oh, and by the way, we're making cookies. Peanut butter, she's just a mess, you know? Her whole life's a mess, but still love her. It splashes. That's pretty good. I'm gonna wash my hands. Next, sugar, because, you know, everybody loves sugar. A cup of brown sugar a day keeps the heart health away, and who wants that? Oh my god! This just fell in there. This is gonna be a rough estimate. This is coming full circle from the muffins. Now we're just gonna mix that in. Now that that's kind of mixed in, an egg. Vanilla. Like, I'm so happy because this was on the recipe. Like, I love vanilla. I love vanilla cake. I love vanilla cookies, vanilla ice cream. Basically everything vanilla. I'm just gonna like... That was a mistake. Moving on. It's looking like cookie dough, which is really nice. You might not know this about me, but I actually can't have dairy. It gives me some tummy troubles. When I find a recipe that's like this, I jump chocolate chips. Because it won't be a cookie if there's no chocolate chip. I need scissors. The cutie, so many. So we're just gonna mix that in. Okay. Oh, almost fell out. Love that for me. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to preheat the oven. Should be good. Sorry you had to witness that. Now the oven is preheating. You can't see, but you just have to trust me. So I'm going to get this scooper. I don't know how much this makes. It didn't really say, so let's just see. It looks pretty good. Basically like cookie batter, which is pretty good. I mean, if it looks like what it's supposed to be, I mean, I think that's a win. Then after I scoop them and poop them on, I'm going to press them down with a fork, and I'll show you that on the close-up. Raw cookie dough in stores that you're not even supposed to cook. It's just for eating, and like they already make that. Why make it and make it cost 5 times as much? They can just get some of that Pillsbury. I have just about a cookie's worth too much. The oven's ready. I don't know if you heard that beep. So now I'm gonna crisscross them. My grandma and I used to make peanut butter cookies and crisscross them just like this, getting the memories. Ooh, these are aesthetic. Ooh, it's hot. Wonder why. Putting them in. Pretty good. house smells like Nutter Butter. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want more of this content.